evening, children. Yesterday we discussed about polynomials and how to divide the polynomial. Yesterday we discussed. In today's topic, what we are doing, just read it once. Check in which case the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial by dividing the second polynomial by the first polynomial. Check in which case the first polynomial is a factor. How can you say that it is a factor? See, if you see the example, see for example, is 2 a factor of 6. How can you say that it is a factor? How can you say that? By dividing that 6 with the help of 2, you can say that 2 3s are 6. You will get 0. If 0 is the remainder, we can definitely say that 2 is a factor of 6. In the same way, here also in polynomials, if you divide this particular polynomial with this polynomial, then you can say that if you get 0 as a remainder, then we can say that t square minus 3 is the factor of this particular polynomial. That means what we have to do here, if it is a factor or not, if you want to find whether it is a factor or not, you have to divide this polynomial by this first polynomial. That thing only he told. See here, polynomial by dividing the second polynomial, with the first polynomial. Whatever the rules we followed for the division, the same way here also same thing. First you have to write the polynomial in decreasing order or increasing order. See here, it is in decreasing order only. We have to write it decreasing order only. See here the powers of this polynomial 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. The constant. For the constant, the power of the constant is always 0. So it is perfectly correct. Now if you see this divisor t square minus 3, where there is no x power 1 term, so you have to keep it 0 into x power 1. See, now we will divide. First you write this t square plus 0 into x. X term is not, that means t. Here the term is variable is t, no? So we will write t. 0 into t minus 3 is divided by, we have to divide which number? This number we have to divide. So how to divide that one? 2t power 4 minus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. So what I told you, as we discussed in the previous session, see, you have to divide the first term by the first term of the divisor. First term of the dividend, we have to divide this one with the first term of the divisor. See here, 2t power 4 by t square. So t square, here 4 means you will get 2. So 2t square. So 2t square. So multiply with this one. Multiply this term with each and every term of the divisor. 2t square into t square. 2t power 4. 2t power 4. So again 2t square into 0.t. If you multiply with 0, always you will get 0 only. Plus 0. Okay. Next, you multiply 2t square with minus 3. First multiply the coefficients, numerical coefficients. 2 into 3, 6. 2 3s are 6. 6t square. 2 3s are 6 t square. 6t square. Here minus into plus, minus only. So after multiplying that one, you have to change the symbols. Here plus, so minus. Here plus, minus. Here minus, so plus. Opposite symbols you have to keep. Now see here, plus 2t power 4 minus 2t power 4 gets cancelled. Here minus 3t cube. Here 0 is there. So write as it is. Minus 3t cube. Here plus minus different symbols. So subtraction. 6 minus 2, 4. Before big number plus is there. So put plus t power square. Bring down minus 90. Again you have to repeat the same. Whatever we did here, in the same way we have to do here also. See, minus first term of the dividend, divide that with the first term of the divisor. So minus t cube by t square. T square. T square, here t cube gets cancelled. Minus 3t. What is the remaining term? Minus 3t. So multiply each and every term with the minus 3t. 3 into t cube, first 3 into 1. Coefficient of this one is 1. So 3 into 1, 3. T into t square, t cube. Minus into plus, minus. Again with this if you multiply you will get what? 0 only. Minus 3t into 0, 0. Next minus 3 into minus 3t into minus 3. 3 3s 90. Minus into minus, plus. So change the symbols, here minus. So plus, here plus, minus, here plus, minus. So this one gets cancelled. Yes, gets cancelled. Now see here plus 4t square plus 4t square. Here minus minus. Same symbols means you have to add 9 9 18t. Here minus symbol. So minus, bring down minus 12. So again first term of the dividend by the first term of the divider. 4t square by t square. T square gets cancelled. 4 plus 4. Not minus, symbol also very important. See plus 4. 4 into t square. 4t square. 4 into 0 point t. 0 into t is nothing but 0 only, plus 0. Next 4 3s 12. 4 3s 12. So plus t minus t. Plus into minus, minus only. So here minus cancelled, here plus. This one also gets cancelled. Here also, here 18. Here plus, 3 into 3, 9. Minus into minus plus t. So this one also gets cancelled here only. So here you will get 0. So at last you got 0. If you get 0 means you can say that t square plus t square minus 3 is the factor of this particular polynomial. Okay, you have to say that t square minus 3 is a factor of this number 2t power 4 minus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. So this is a factor of this one. How can you say that if you get the remainder as 0? You can say that it is a factor of this particular polynomial. Okay. Next. We will see the second one. You have to write last. Yes, it is a factor of this one, like that. Next, he told you to check whether it is a factor or not. See the second one. See the second one. X cube, x square plus 3x plus 1, comma, 3x power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. So in the same way we have to divide this particular polynomial by this divisor. X square plus 3x plus 1. 3x power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. See here, this is in decreasing order only. See the powers, first observe the powers. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Here also 2, 1, 0. So powers are in a correct order. So first to divide this 3x power 4 by x square. First term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. X square get, here you will get square. So 3x square is the quotient. Multiply each and every term with this 3x square. 3 into 3x square into x square, 3x power 4. 3 into 3, 9. X square into x, x cube. Plus into plus, plus only. 3x square plus 1, 3x square. Plus into plus, plus only. Now change the symbols, minus, minus, minus. So this one gets cancelled. Plus minus gets cancelled. 9 minus 5. Different symbols. 9 minus 5, 4x cube. Subtraction. Before big number minus is there. So put minus. Here minus minus. Same symbols means we have to add. 7 plus 3, 10. 10x square. Before big number minus is there. So put minus. Now bring down plus 2x. Again first term. Divide with the first term only. Minus 4x cube by x square. So x square cube gets cancelled, minus 4x. Minus 4x. Multiply each and every term with this 4x. 4 into x square, 4x cube. See here 1x, here x square. Total x cube. Minus into plus, minus. Again with this 4 3s, 12. X into x, x square. Minus into plus, minus. Again 1 into 4x, 4x only. Minus into plus, minus. Now change the symbols, plus, plus, plus. So this one gets cancelled. 12 minus 10. Different symbols, subtraction. 12 minus 10, 2x square. Plus, minus. Before big number plus is there. You have to take this symbol as into consideration. So take plus. Here plus, plus only. Both symbols. Plus 6x. Okay. Bring down this 2 plus 2. Again first number by the first number only. 2x square by 2x square. X square gets cancelled. Plus 2. 2 into, multiply each and every term. 2 into x square, 2x square. 2 into 3s are 6x. Plus into plus, plus only. Here plus into plus, plus only. 2 ones, 2. So here minus, minus, minus. Everything gets cancelled. So 0 is the remainder. We can definitely say that x square plus 3x plus 1 is a factor of this particular polynomial. Why? Because we got 0 as the remainder. Thank you.